Riot hot pivotal seat from Odyssey. The Odyssey tail light and the Odyssey LED headlight. Well, they're both LED tail light and headlight. The Odyssey integrated Pro headset in red. The Odyssey, I think it's called a pack or something like that. Odyssey pack, I believe it's called. The Discovery Sunday high-rise bars. I think that's about it. I think that's all I did to this Model C. Nothing crazy. Everything's pretty much original. Just changed some things around here and there. Pretty fun bike. Nice little cruiser. I mainly use the back to put my speaker. I have a speaker I put in there. And I throw my keys in there and my cell phone in there, then I go cruising. There she is.